Peppa's Christmas Wish by Peppa Pig. It's Christmas Eve, and Peppa, George, and their friends are aboard the Christmas elf train. They're on their way to Santa's workshop. Everyone is very excited.
Hooray! Ho, ho, ho!
Chuckles Santa Claus.
I hope you've all been good.
He makes a list of what everyone would like for Christmas. George would like a racing car. Peppa would like a doll. Peppa and her family are spending Christmas with Granny and Grandpa Pig.
You can stir the Christmas pudding,
Granny Pig says.
and don't forget to make a wish.
Soon it's bedtime.
I hope Santa knows where Granny and Grandpa Pig live,
Peppa whispers before she falls asleep. On Christmas Day, Peppa and her family eat the Christmas pudding.
This is delicious.
Snorts Mummy Pig.
I wonder what you wished for when you were making it, Peppa.
It's time to open presents. George got a racing car.
Vroom, vroom.
But there's nothing under the tree for Peppa.
Santa has forgotten me.
Peppa says sadly. Santa's on his way home in his sleigh. Suddenly he spots something at the bottom of his sack.
Oh, ho, ho.
Santa gasps.
There's one last present to deliver.
Santa tumbles down the chimney at Granny and Grandpa Pig's house.
Here's your present, Peppa. Ho, ho, ho.
He chuckles.
My Christmas pudding wish came true.
Peppa cries.
I wish that Santa would visit us on Christmas Day, and he has.
Hooray for Santa!
Hooray!